Hello students, today I will teach you how to solve sum and difference problems. Okay, so what are sum and difference problems? These problems you should be able to identify first that the word problems which you are given to solve is actually a sum and difference problem, because I will show you the trick to solve it even if you don't have any knowledge of algebra. So no algebra needed here. Okay. And the gist is in first identifying that this is a sum and difference problem. So let us start with an example directly. See the first example, sum of the ages of J and Sam is 35. If Sam is 5 years older than J, what are their ages? So here you can see it is obvious that the sum is already given. The sum of the ages of J and Sam is 35. And where is the difference given? Yes, if Sam is 5 years older than J, that means 5 years is the difference between Sam's age and J's age. Okay, so yes, first you have to identify that is a sum and difference problem. Then it goes easy. So what you have to keep in mind is, out of the two, one is older, one is younger. So here, who is older? Sam is younger. If they have asked Sam's age, that is the older one's age. Now here Sam's age. Okay. So you have to write here sum plus difference. Here Sam is older, but there will be two numbers. These are sum and difference problems involving two numbers. One is a bigger number and one is a smaller number. So here Sam's age is definitely higher, so it is a bigger number. When we have to find a bigger number, you have to just add the sum and the difference and divide it by 2. Okay, so what is the sum here? It is 35. And what is the difference here? It is 5. You have to just add sum and difference and divide it by 2. So what you get here? 40 divided by 2. That is, you get 20 years as Sam's age, because 20 is a bigger number here. Okay, then what is J's age? J's age means finding smaller number. You have to just subtract the difference from its sum and divide it by 2. So you get 35 minus 5 divided by 2, which is 30 by 2. 30 by 2, and you get it as 15. Okay, this is as simple as that. Bigger number, to find bigger number, you add sum and difference divided by 2. In order to find a smaller number, you just subtract the two, sum and difference, and divide it by 2. You will get a smaller number. So here Sam's age is 20 years and 15 years is J's age. Just verify. The sum of their ages 20 plus 15 is 35. Yes. And the difference between their ages 20 minus 15 is 5. And here Sam's age is more. So Sam is 5 years older than J. Got it? Let's see if you can solve this next problem. Okay, let's see this second problem. Perimeter of a rectangle is 44 centimeters and length is 4 centimeter longer than the breadth. What is the size of the rectangle? So here, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around the closed geometric figure, or you can say perimeter is the total length of the boundary of the figure. Okay, so here we do the sum of all the sides. We know rectangle has a length and breadth. Here they have said that the length is 4 centimeter longer than the breadth, and you know that first we have to identify this as a sum and difference problem. So how we will identify? Since perimeter is given, two lengths and two breadths have been added, and length is 4 centimeter longer than the breadth. This length is longer than this breadth by 4 centimeters. Then that means difference of length and breadth is given. So difference is L minus B, length minus breadth, is 4 centimeter, which is given. And what is then L plus B? What is L plus B given? If 2L and 2B, okay, 2L plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle, which is given as 44 centimeters. So single L plus B will be definitely 22 centimeters. See, this L plus B and this L plus B total is 44 centimeter. So one L plus B will be 22 centimeters. So you got it. Here the sum is given and the difference is given. So this is a sum and difference problem. Now what is the size of the rectangle? Again, the size means they are asking what is the length and breadth. So if we are finding the greater number, that is length, what we have to do is add sum plus difference. What is the sum? 22 plus 4 divided by 2. Sum plus difference divided by 2. That is, we get 26 by 2. So here we have 13 as the length. 13 as the length. Okay. And now what is the breadth, which is the smaller number? Definitely it will be sum, that is 22, minus difference, that is 4, divided by 2. We have to subtract the sum and difference. So 22 minus 4 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9 centimeters. So here we have length equal to 13 centimeter and breadth is equal to 9 centimeter. Let us verify our answers with what is given in the problem. So we have 13 and 9. So 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. That is just one L plus B. So we have twice L plus B is 44. Yes, verified. And 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So yes, 4 centimeter. Length is 4 centimeter longer than the breadth. So it is verified. So let us see this next problem. Sum of the present ages of Simi and Rima is 77. And Rima was 27 years old when Simi was born. So first, let us do the first step of identifying whether it is a sum and difference problem. Yes, the sum of the present ages of Simi and Rima is 77. So sum is given as 77. So where is the difference given? Here the difference is 27. But you will ask whether, see, Rima was 27 years old when Simi was born. So is 27 years old the difference? Yes, because when Simi was born, she was just born. She was 0 years old. So definitely the difference between the ages and Rima and Sima was 27 years old at that time. So what about the present difference? Yes, with every passing year, both of them will grow simultaneously. So after 1 year, when Sima will be 1 year old, Rima will be 28 year old. So again the difference will remain same, 27. After 2 years, Simi will be 2 years old, Rima will be 29. So again the difference will remain same. So remember, the difference between the ages never changes. At birth, whatever the difference was there between any two persons, it does not change. So here it is definitely a sum and difference problem. Now whose age is asked? Simi's age is asked. Simi is younger than Rima because when Sima was born, Simi was born, Rima was 27 years old. So Simi is the younger of the two. So definitely what we saw when we want to find the smaller number, that is smaller number is equal to sum minus difference. You have to subtract the difference from its sum, from the sum, and divided by 2. Therefore here Simi's age will be, what is the sum? 77, difference is 27 divided by 2. So it is 50 by 2 is 25. So the present age of Simi is 25, which is they have asked. Okay, so by now I hope you have understood how to identify the sum and difference problems and how to find the answers to the problem. When we are required to find a smaller number, we just subtract the sum and difference and divide by 2. And when we are required to find a bigger number, we will add the sum and difference and divide by 2. Let us see if you can solve this next problem. In the kite festival, there was a beautiful kite with total length of 822 centimeters, including its tail. The tail was longer than the kite's body by 138 centimeter. Find the length of the tail. I hope you will be able to solve this problem and you can write your answers in the comment box. I will definitely reply. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.